Welcome back traders. Today, we're taking a look at the over 4/under 5 bot, an automated trading bot designed for Deriv synthetic indices. This bot is built to analyze market digit patterns and execute trades automatically based on probability and statistical edge. If you're looking for a smart and disciplined way to trade digit contracts, this bot is definitely worth checking out. Let's go over the current bot configuration shown on the screen. The bot is running on Volatility 75, 1-second market, with a starting stake of $1 and a duration of 1 tick per trade. The Martingale Sequence is set to 1, 2, 4, and 8, allowing the bot to recover losses strategically while maintaining controlled risk. Both the take profit and stop loss are configured at $10, helping traders manage profits and protect capital effectively. Overlapping trades are currently disabled, meaning the bot waits for one trade to finish before entering another. Whether you're a beginner exploring automated trading or an experienced trader looking for data-driven execution, the over 4/under 5 bot offers a balanced approach between opportunity and risk management. By combining real-time probability analysis with strict trade conditions, the bot avoids random entries and focuses only on high-probability setups. The built-in Martingale recovery system is designed to manage temporary losses while aiming for steady account growth over multiple sessions. Consistent monitoring, proper bankroll management, and disciplined settings remain important for long-term performance. As shown in this session, the bot was able to maintain a positive outcome despite several losses, proving the importance of strategy and statistical edge in synthetic index trading. Stay tuned for more live sessions, updates, and advanced Deriv bot strategies. And now for the results. During this session, the bot executed 23 trades, winning 14 trades and losing 9 trades, finishing with a total profit of $10.39. That's a strong performance powered by probability, automation, and disciplined execution. The over 4/under 5 bot uses a Markov Chain transition model to calculate grouped probability for the next digit based on the previous tick state. In simple terms, the bot studies recent digit movement patterns and predicts the likelihood of the next outcome. It only enters